Welcome to the future of automotive design. This is where the premium craftsmanship of the new Jaecoo 7 begins.
From these very buildings, we are to introduce the Jaecoo 7. This is where premium craftsmanship
Jaecoo 7 begins as premium grade steel.
Engineered measurement system scanning panels, ensuring dimensional accuracy for Jaecoo 7's safety standards. Density is 7.85, within spec.
Good. Now test the integrity.
Structural integrity confirmed. Here, bins of stamped parts are organized for the Jaecoo 7 welding sections, ensuring efficient production.
Here's the Jaecoo 7 CAD. See the flange on this panel?
Yes, let me grab the actual stamped
Perfect.
part.
Let's check the tolerances. Here's the Jaecoo 7 CAD. See the flange on this panel?
Yes, let me grab the actual stamped
Perfect.
part.
Let's check the tolerances.
Starting inspection of critical welds on the Jaecoo 7 chassis. This safety weld is secure, all points validated. Production rate is holding steady at 45.
Good. Station 3's temp is high.
Acknowledged. I'll log it. Examine the underbody weld bead quality, ensuring the Jaecoo's uniform high-penetration beads confirm structural integrity and reliability. The Jaecoo 7 enters the oven, where heat hardens the paint for superior durability. This curing process... Blending this edge now. Looks good. Check the hood. On it. Almost done. Main harness is routed, linking the sensors. Dash protection secure, powering up. Nervous system complete. Window placed, sealing the cabin now. Sealant applied, next window.
State-of-the-art robotics ensure every Jaecoo 7 is built to perfection.
ตรงไหนนะครับไม่แก้กันบองเพียบมุมนี้กี่นะรับเบ่งนะเนี่ยมันตรงตานี่ตาเป็นขวบจำ
ทั้งสูงเนี่ยตักเศษส่วนยืดทั้งเป็นในกระหลังไทยชัดนี้เป็นที่มีขึ้นวัดติดตามพิงคายเสียงผลเตือเสียงบัก
Touchscreen infotainment placement, powering the tech inside Jaecoo 7. Brake lines and fuel lines attached, ensuring critical systems of Jaecoo 7. In our state-of-the-art facility, every Jaecoo 7 powertrain undergoes rigorous preparation.
đơn cái ra kháng được đất tiền tụt nhà tỷ nhìn này cái chất dân ý cắt phiền xịn nhận nàyครับnhảy dân nhà
Ini di untuk tap siang này mình có khi phân tạo lực ngọn đi gom ít là ở bên này ở bên lại ta kia còn đông có ít thiên đục kiểu bù
Engine started, wheels are spinning. Okay, let's add some rain. Data looks good.
วันนี้กองพันคำกิมวันซ้อมแจ้งหนักถึงสมเร็จแพงกอบถัวระเด็กแตด thua tay đi ní cho thân phần.
Solaris. Okay, let's check the steering wheel controls. Everything seems responsive, the infotainment is quick, climate controls are intuitive.
Protective coverings installed, safeguarding Jaecoo 7 during transport.